So I believe this week is really our comeback finally. We have actually made this week so far more than 187 pips of profit. I'm very happy and glad to see the results, and I'm sure the clients are enjoying the profits. As you can see, my friends, on Monday it was actually 100% in profit. All of the signals that we have sent on Monday have thankfully made a good profit. As we can see, one of them reached the take profit number 2, and the other one won 100 pips of profit. And also, as you can see, on Tuesday, however, was somehow a good day. As we can see, 12 pips of loss and 6 pips of loss, which is really normal. You might have actually small losses here and there, but thankfully we had also gained some really good and decent profits. As you can see, other signals have made 60 pips of profit. Unfortunately, the pound JPY has hit the stop loss of 45 pips, but again, guys, this is normal. Let's wait and see what will gonna happen next with the other signals. We are actually expecting a lot of profits. Even if this day didn't go well, we are expecting better days in the upcoming week, in the upcoming days of this week. So therefore, please stay tuned and don't forget to join the premium group to give it a try by yourself. So of course, if you wish to join Xtreme Trader Forex Signals group, please contact our support. You can find their contact details in the description below this video. Contact them today and hopefully we will see you there. Guys, I'm actually upset because I have already finished recording the video and I have already made the signals, but sadly I didn't notice that there was a background music being played in the background. I didn't notice because I don't usually put my headset on. I just put my microphone and start recording. And then when I wanted to render the video and just edit it for the final touch, I noticed that there was a music in the background. I actually spent more than 30 minutes trying to remove it, but sadly it didn't work, so I think I have to repeat now the whole video again. So actually I'm not really in a good mood. It sucks. I don't really like to repeat my things again for no reason. So anyway, let me just tell you something. Sorry for the bad attitude, by the way. I'm just really I just really hate when it happens. So again, the EURUSD. The EURUSD signal actually has worked perfectly well, and the market has reversed almost from there. I think that level. I think let me just go to the 1 hour time frame, daily chart. I mean, or 1 hour time frame. The EURUSD signal actually worked very well, my friends. It has reversed exactly from the given level to start. Actually from there, exactly from here, 0.98239. The market right now is running in about 146 pips of profit. I hope you guys have taken this signal and have enjoyed all these pips and profits. So it was indeed excellent signal, and I'm very happy and proud about it. So now what's next? What's next actually is we have to wait for the market right now to fall again for about, I would say, 40 pips before we can start buying it again at 0.99294. As you can see, we had right here the nearest strong key support level to that bullish breakout candle. However, there is also a nearest support which lies exactly right here. This tail right here represents actually the nearest support to that bullish breakout candle, and therefore I think it's going to be a good idea to start buying the EURUSD again after it makes a bearish reversal upon the pressure from that resistance at 0.99980. Also, another way to confirm this entry is by simply using the resistance trend line right here. Exactly as you can see, my friends, we had here the broken level of a resistance trend line, and right now we can wait for the EURUSD to retest that broken level, and again we can start buying once the market creates the new support trend line, and then we can start aiming approximately 105 pips. Hopefully gonna be in good profit, and of course the safe zone is ranging for about 50 pips. So that's everything for the EURUSD. Let's now move to the pound USD. So again, the pound USD signal, unfortunately it has went in the right direction, but it did not trigger our buy area. Now what's next with the pound USD? Actually, if we look right now at the 4 hour time frame, we can see clearly that we are having here a resistance trend line, and as you can see, my friends, the market has already made the bullish breakout from that level of a resistance trend line, and therefore all we need to do right now, and upon the pressure from that resistance right here at 1.14790, all we have to do right now is simply waiting for the market to fall again, retest that level of a broken resistance trend line to create the new support trend line. And also, if we look carefully at the left side, we're having right here support level. So of course, very similar to the EURUSD. That is not the nearest one or nearest support to that bullish breakout candle. We need to find the nearest support to that level. And check this out right here, my friends. Do you see this tail right here? That tail, let me just zoom in to show it to you. Let me just be more accurate. Where is that tail? That tail, where is that tail? Back to the 1 hour time frame for, oh my god, it's a big mess here. Yes, exactly right here. So this was the broken level of a resistance, my friends. This was of course a real level of a broken resistance. However, this tail right here represents actually the nearest support to that bullish breakout candle. So basically we just have to wait for the market to fall for about 93 pips before we can start buying it again. Of course, that's really nothing for the market, especially for the pound USD right now. I mean, on the 1 hour candle, this candle alone has actually moved for about 128 pips. So right now the market is crazy, and these pips actually won't make any difference for this pair. So anyway, that's everything for the pound. Actually, yeah, we actually gonna be buying the pound USD exactly at that support level right here, and we're actually gonna be aiming 209 pips profit from the signal against 78 pips of the safe zone. That's everything for this pair. Let's now move to the AUD/USD. Okay, guys, I would really like to ask you a favor, if you can just really hit the like button, appreciating that I'm doing this effort twice right now. Because doing your thing again, I mean, repeating your work really sucks. And we all have been there, I think. You know very well how it's really not good that you are doing your whole thing again. I mean, when you spend like 30 minutes doing something, and now you have to repeat it again for no reason. You need to do it again in exactly the same efforts, the same excitement, the same way you did before. It's just not going to be the same, and you won't actually have the energy to do it. So anyway, I kindly appreciate, guys, if you can just hit the like button and just continue watching. So anyway, for the AUD/USD, actually the AUD/USD signal did not work, and the market actually sadly has went in the opposite direction, but eventually AUD/USD went back in the right direction, and as you can see right now, it's rising. So right now the AUD/USD is actually facing here a resistance zone, and we can expect from the market to fall for about 28 pips. And I think if we look carefully here at the left side, we can see that the market has also formed as a key support level, and right now this key support level is actually the nearest one to that bullish breakout candle. So most likely the AUD/USD is going to be respecting that level as 0.63636, and then we can start buying the AUD/USD, and we can keep the trade running till the market reaches the nearest strong key resistance level at 0.65183. I mean, it's a very simple and straightforward signal. I don't think we need actually further analysis. And right now we can expect actually 154 pips profit from this signal against I would say about 59 pips for the safe zone. Let's now move to the USDCAD. USDCAD signal actually has exceeded actually the edge of the safe zone by a few pips, I think by 9 pips, but I think you guys actually have still maintained to keep this trade running, hoping that this happened, and the trade actually has went in about 77 pips of profit. So I think it was a good signal, even though it has exceeded the safe zone by 9 pips. I'm sure some of you guys kept the trade running till now. So now what's next with the USDCAD? Actually, if we look carefully right now, the USDCAD, my friends, has actually formed right here a strong support trend line, which has recently been breaking out from with that bearish breakout candle. And right now we can actually expect from the USDCAD to continue the fall after it makes the bullish reversal upon the pressure from the support right here at 1.36222. So right now we can see that the market indeed has already started the bullish reversal, meaning we can actually start really shorting the USDCAD after it rises for about 43 pips. Also, if we look at the left side, there, my friends, lies a strong key resistance level, which was previously, of course, a support. But however, that level exactly is where we are going to start selling the USDCAD again. And the edge of the safe zone shouldn't actually be ranging higher than 79 pips against approximately 142 pips of profit. I mean, we don't really need, since we're actually relying on that broken support trend line right here and the retest of it to become a new resistance trend line, we are not actually requiring higher than that level of a key zone, of a safe zone. Therefore, selling exactly at 1.36622 is going to be ideal. And let's now see what we can do next with this market. What did I say that? I don't know why did I say this. Anyway, I think that's everything for the USDCAD. Moving now to the USDJPY. Okay, USDJPY is still a big mess. And honestly, guys, I don't feel safe at all trading this pair. Hence, the USDJPY signal remains blocked for this week. I mean, I'm not going to say anything about it. I'm not going to give any opinion about the USDJPY. It's really just a big mess right now, and that's not the kind of chart that you really want to analyze. Therefore, we are going to skip the USDJPY for the second time this week, and let's now move to the USDCHF. Alright, so USDCHF signal was actually a perfect signal. The market has reversed exactly from 100 to 00, and as we can see, the market the signal has went in total of about 80 pips of profit, currently 58 pips of profit. I really hope you guys have taken this signal and made a decent profit with it. Now, what's next with the USDCHF? Actually, very similar to the USDCAD. We are having right here a support trend line, which has been recently broken out from with that strong bearish breakout candle. Now we can see right here the market actually is facing a very strong key support level as 0.99634, which means we can actually expect from the market to make another bullish pullback and rise again for about 40 pips. And as we can see, my friends, if we look carefully at this bearish breakout candle, this level of a resistance right here and right there are the nearest resistance levels to that bearish breakout candle. Therefore, we can expect from the market to actually respect that level as a new resistance trend line and then continue the fall. And of course, once we do that, the take profit level is going to remain the same as 0.98912, which means we can actually expect about 112 pips of profit from this signal against a safe zone ranging for about 48 pips till the real level of a resistance at 1.00514. That's everything for the USDCHF. Moving now to the gold. The gold was one amazing signal, and I'm very glad to see it working very well. The gold, I think, we actually have given the signal. Let me just be sure. I'm just looking at my weekly video here, guys, on the other screen. I just want to make sure which level I give to start buying the gold as 1645.63. So 1645.63. Almost right there. Almost right there. So as you can see, my friends, the market has reversed at that level. It went in the safe zone for about 70 pips before reversing back and going in about 162 pips of profit, currently 100 pips of profit. Now, what's next with the gold? Actually, if we look carefully right here on the 30-minute time frame, so this was the very strong bullish breakout candle, and right there lies the nearest strong key support level to that bullish breakout candle, which means if the market continues the fall and reaches that level of a support, most likely is going to be respected again, and we can start buying the gold again. If in case, guys, you have missed entering this signal, buying at 1647.71 is going to be the best option. And of course, we're going to keep the same target at 1674.47, which means we are still aiming approximately 271 pips of profit against 107 pips of the safe zone. So again, guys, the week is going very well for everyone. For the free members, or the free signals on YouTube, the premium signals also is going very well. I'm so happy about the results. I mean, we are really expecting to make very good profits by end of this week. Don't forget to join the premium group. Give it a try. Seeing is believing. Of course, never judge the signals after 1 or 2 bad days. Always judge it after 1 whole month. Thankfully, even though, guys, we had bad 2 weeks recently, we still have received some requests to rejoin the group, or actually to renew their membership. These guys have actually spent enough time in the premium group to know very well that few days could be actually bad, but eventually the group is actually able to grow their account and provide them with the best signals, and hoping that, guys, that we will actually end up in a very good profit by the end of this week. So again, guys, I hope that was informative to you, and I would like to thank you for watching.